grouper BLT. Yes, I said a grouper BLT. Hey, good morning. We're headed out to Punta Gorda today. We're gonna do a little sightseeing, a little bike riding, so off we go. Are you excited?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep.
How many miles are we gonna do today?
Oh gosh, I don't know. Maybe about 15, huh?
We'll see. All right, look at, they got the turkey out here at Raintree RV Resort. Lots of turkeys here, I'll tell you that. Well, we are in Punta Gorda, and we set our GPS to get us to the bike trail or walking trail. Multi-use trail is the correct term, I guess. And it said this was the trailhead and parking. So yeah, there's some parking here. We got
Punta Gorda, a city located in southwest Florida, is the county seat of Charlotte County. As of 2020, the city had a population a bit over 19,400. Punta Gorda's popularity stems from its blend of natural beauty, historical charm, and recreational opportunities. It's known for its waterfront lifestyle that attracts outdoor enthusiasts. The city's location on the Peace River and Charlotte Harbor provides ample opportunities for boating, fishing, and other water activities. The city boasts numerous marinas and waterfront parks, making it a popular destination for boaters and anglers. With a well-preserved historic district with Victorian-style buildings adding to its unique charm, the city's small-town feel with walkable areas and a collection of independent shops and restaurants is another factor in its popularity. Punta Gorda boasts a network of bike paths and multi-use trails, particularly the Punta Gorda Pathways, a system of approximately 18 miles of bicycle and pedestrian trails that connect the city's neighborhoods, parks, and commercial areas. This system, offering scenic and accessible routes for cyclists, includes the Harbor Walk, a 2.4-mile scenic route along Charlotte Harbor, Linear Park, built on a historic railroad bed, which runs for about 1 mile through picturesque neighborhoods, and a shared use path that connects the city's heart with neighborhoods on the south side, extending along Tamiami Trail for an additional 4 miles.
Hey, we're in Punta Gorda. Punta. Anyway, Punta Gorda at the Tiki Hut Bar and Grill at 4 Point Sheridan. And we're having lunch. What a view, eh? Water. It's a little windy today, but got our electric bikes parked there. We came here on a bike ride. And anyway, so Leanne's having chicken How's your chicken tenders, dear?
Very good.
Tender? And I'm having a grouper BLT. Yes, I said a grouper BLT. And then the interesting thing, I haven't tried it yet, but I ordered rice and beans right
Like
there.
tomatoes and onions.
Find out what it's like in a minute. Hey, what do you know? We're at Fisherman's Village in Punta Gorda. Punta?
Punta.
Here we are, Fisherman's Village, all ready for Christmas. Well, who knows if they're ready, but they're working on it.
Look at this guy. Sitting with Santa over there, maybe.
Yeah. World famous Fisherman's Village. Sea bags, Captain's Landing. Dragonfly, that's pretty cool. Oh boy, here she goes. Well, it just don't feel like Christmas to me. It's like 82 degrees, the sun's shining, and we have Santa and these nutcracker dudes. So this looks really interesting. Too bad we're not here in December, but they have Christmas lights now too.
So I think we're here. Yeah, we're here.
Yep. That's what it says. You are here.
Yep.
Welcome aboard the Helen Elm. I wonder how much their cruises are here. Well, it depends where it goes. So, look at even the palm trees have ornaments on them. Well, what do you think of that? Huh? Well, look at that. All decked out for Christmas. Oh, yeah.
Look at the green one up there.
We got a boat, we'd have to name it the Lady L. Or Lady Leanne. Captain's Table. And Harpoon Harry's.
Fisherman's Village is your vacation destination for waterfront shopping, dining, and fun. What once was a fishing village today is a bustling waterfront destination. Enjoy unique shops and boutiques, restaurants, 140-slip marina, and a military heritage museum located just steps away.
Mermaid shop. Yes, so great mermaid, what can I do for you?
Look at, they have these ones that are made out of plastic from the ocean.
Do they?
Yes, those are pretty cool. But look here.
And, you know, they want I know, I saw it outside on the sticker.
Pretty please, sweetheart.
Sugar on top?
Sugar on top, cherry on top, whipped cream on top.
I don't want cherry.
Oh.
Cream. Yeah, fine. Gee, look who I found in the candy shop. What you looking for there?
Just looking.
It smells good in here.
I love candy.
Well, we've transferred to, I guess, downtown Punta Gorda.
It is Punta Gorda.
And it is Punta Gorda, and according to a local we just talked to.
Yeah.
And so we're just going to kind of walk around and see what we can see.
This is actually, so there was a sign on the pizza place about this being a historic area.
Oh, it's historic. Oh, what do you suppose that is? I bet you post office? Folks, I found the best deal in Punta Gorda. Where can you get parking for $1 an hour in a downtown area? Punta Gorda, you won me over. Well, it's awful sunny here in Florida.
Finally.
Especially when you're walking this way with the camera. Hey, look it, there's an Ace Hardware in the middle of this place.
Yeah.
Pretty as a Pearl Boutique. Pink Friday. Must be something about the pink. They're all in pink. Wine. Unwind.
Unwind. Wine and beer bar.
Unwind.
That's...
Oh,
What?
we got a follow.
Yeah. Sales and rental place. There's the canal again. Vivante at Punta Gorda. Searching for a beautiful sunset. After a wonderful day exploring Punta Gorda, we made our way to Ponce de Leon Park to cap it off with a beautiful sunset. The park, with its quiet beach, mangroves, an open-air chapel area, and small boardwalk, offered a perfect spot to relax and take in the views over Charlotte Harbor. The peaceful shoreline and golden sky were the ideal ending to a day well spent. You probably could, huh?
Yeah, not bad. We'll take it. Well, we are at Ponce de Leon Park here. Didn't get much of a sunset because of the cloud in the way, but it was still beautiful. A lot of people come out here and watch the sunset. If you enjoyed our video, be sure to give us a like, and we would appreciate if you would subscribe to our channel. It costs you nothing and it really helps us out.
Cruising with purpose, sailing free, discovering wonders, you and me. Easy dream adventures, faith our guide, God's love surrounding us worldwide. Surrounding us worldwide.